So, what makes Facility Plus's commercial HVAC services industry leading? Just ask us about our certified technicians and their incredible attention to detail, or our understanding of complex commercial setups that keep our clients and their customers in a comfortable, climate-controlled environment. Need some help with your HVAC system? We install and repair all brands and models, and provide regular maintenance plans that keep them running smoothly. Think of us as your one-stop shop for all your commercial HVAC services. So, what makes Facility Plus industry leading? Just ask us.